Wow! Wow! So excited. Ah, you're so strong.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It's your girl Nats, and I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and doing okay. Today's video, we are getting it all done. It has been so long since I filmed one of these videos, but since it's the weekend and Adam is at home, Adam is my husband if you're new, and he is spending majority of the time with baby Aiden today, I figured might as well I pick up the house because it's been a struggle to keep the house clean. I am currently 12 weeks postpartum while I'm filming this video, so you can imagine it's been a hot mess around here for majority of the time. But today I feel, you know, a little energized, and I'm thinking might as well pick up the house a bit. I have some laundry to fold, laundry to, you know, wash. I have the kitchen to tidy up, and yeah, I just figured I will take you guys along with me while I do that today. If you are new, hello, my name is Natay. I am a new mama of my sweet little precious 12-week-old baby boy. His name is Aiden, and over here I do mommy content, mommy vlogs, and homemaking videos like clean with me and all that stuff. So if that is up your alley, of course, please consider subscribing. And of course, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It helps out the channel so much. But without further ado, let's get to some cleaning. So if you have some stuff to do, let's knock out our to-do list together. So let's go! Ikimasho!
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where
Alright, Nats fam, we are starting today with the humongous pile of laundry that is everywhere right now, as you can see on your screen. I swear the laundry in my house is never ending. Leave a comment down below if it is like that in your household too. Like, are you constantly doing laundry? Because for me, if I don't do a load of laundry in the washing machine every single day, it piles up and then it gets super overwhelming. So at this point, I had to be folding clothes for 3 people because you were almost at that stage where no one had clothes to wear in drawers. So this needed to get done. So we'll be here for a little while. So grab your pile of laundry and let's fold together.
keep on driving and driving.
done with the laundry here, and you are going to see little bits of pieces of Aiden popping in here and there for his little breastfeeding session and just hanging out with his dad. So of course, if you're working alongside me and you want to see the cute little squishy baby, take a minute to like look at your screen a little bit when you know he appears. I cannot believe he is like so grown already.
Aiden, hello. Hello, sleepy boy. You hungry? Huh? How come when your daddy wake you up, you don't cry, and when me wake you up, you scream? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's feed you. Let's get you some food.
I feel as if that was like a marathon, but the good thing is that I managed to fold all the laundry. The stuff that you guys see there in the couch, those are what goes into Adam's closet. So he's in charge of, you know, hanging up his stuff. So I put them there, he's gonna get them. But all the laundry in the house is folded and where they're supposed to be. And then I have another load of laundry going. Like it's a constant thing, you guys. Like domestic chores never ends, especially with a third person. Like you find that I always have laundry to do. It's never ending. But I'm going to take a break from that list, feed the baby, and give him back to dad. Aiden, good.
Cool.
What to do?
Is it? Hey, you hungry? Was that a good sleep?
That was a win-win-win sleep.
Oh, Aiden, you feel wet.
I'm so tired of man. What me want?
Alright guys, so the day is kind of getting away from me. I am hungry and I have not yet eaten lunch. And to be honest, I don't have the time to make anything because the kitchen is a mess. I need to clean that up. So I am going to go out of my way to actually order some food here. What type of food to order? Was trying to stay away. Oh my god, Adam, you're never going to believe which restaurant is on Uber Eats. No, Caesarea. What? Oh my gosh, you guys, like Caesarea, I have been dying to see Caesarea on Uber Eats. Like they have taken so damn long to get their asses on Uber Eats. Like wow. Oh my god. If you're wondering why I'm so excited, like Caesarea is our favorite restaurant here in Japan. And I am going to have such a good time ordering Caesarea for lunch because I'm happy, man. Wow. Wow. I'm so excited. Alright, let's see. I want the chicken wings. I want the Doria. I want the focaccia bread. Like, I want everything, dog. Alright, guys. If nothing else made my day, like seeing Caesarea on Uber Eats, it definitely did. So, I sent in the order. And then, while that is making its way to me, I'm going to finish this, get it all done. I need to order groceries at some point today. Hopefully I can get it delivered today or maybe early tomorrow morning. But let me just finish tidying up the place. And then we're going to hop into the kitchen to tidy up that. Aiden and Daddy is having playtime in there.
Why?
I swear, only Adam can get Aiden to like tummy time. Because whenever I do it with him, he's not having it, guys. Alright, I swear I hate to talk over the music in my videos because I feel as if the music brings out, you know, the extra motivation that we need to push through all of the cleaning and all of that. So now we are on to the living room area. We're sweeping, we are brushing, we are dusting, we are tidying the couch, and we are trying to just get it all done today. If you're working alongside me, you got this, we got this. Let's push through. Can I have some?
No.
Guys, it's daddy time. And let's be honest, I'm so happy that I can just focus on anything else other than, you know, entertaining Aiden. Like, I love my son, you guys, but having been with him every day, all day, for 5 days straight, like, at some point I need to just be, you know. So it's nice that Daddy can entertain him while I try to get something around the house.
Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you.
Aiden! Aiden, good! Look at you! Oh wow! You're so strong! Oh, Aiden, I'm so proud of you! Oh my goodness, look at that head! Watch this. This man now come down.
You have to maneuver the camera. Me can't interrupt him too many times, you know.
Aiden!
You have to catch from the angle what you need.
Good job, buddy! Wow!
I lost you, yeah, I lost you. Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
Alright, so dishes are finally done, and then we are on to just putting some of the dirty baby items that I have. So stuff like pacifiers, nose aspirators, a few little things here and there that Aiden has been using that I need to wash and sterilize. That is what I'm putting here into this stainless steel container. I'm going to be washing them, and then I will be putting them into the Medela microwavable steam bags, and then I'm going to be steaming those, sanitizing them, or is it sterilizing? Sterilizing them, and then we will be continuing on with some tidying up of Aiden's room. So for the nursery, it is almost done. As a matter of fact, the only thing that is left to get inside this nursery is the crib when I was filming this video. But as of now, as I'm recording this voiceover, it has been a while since this video was filmed, and we have now gotten the crib. So let me know down in the comments below if you would like to see, like, you know, the updated nursery kind of reveal, kind of tour situation, because I remember when I was pregnant, I did show you guys what we did in the nursery, and since then a lot of things have changed inside there. We've got a lot of new, like, furniture and stuff like that. So let me know if you are interested in seeing what the nursery looks like today, and I will film that video for you. Now we're on to, like, one of my very favorite songs, so you will not hear me talking over this song. Enjoy the song, enjoy the cleaning motivation, and continue on. We are almost done.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. In you going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your
Alright, so we are on to the changing table right here, and I'm just doing like a quick tidying up. I am refilling the night basket that we keep in our bedroom with Pampers. And do people say Pampers, or is it a Jamaican thing? I swear it's a Jamaican thing. We call diapers Pampers because of the brand Pampers. It's weird, but anyway, I am restocking diapers in this night caddy that we keep in our room just in case we need to do any overnight diaper changes. We do not have to take Aiden out of the room and into like the nursery. And then I'm just going to be doing a quick tidy up of the little organizers on the side of the changing table where we keep like his lotion and diaper cream and stuff like that, because things get easily misplaced and thrown into these organizers because we use it so much every day. So that is what we are up to. After that, we are going to be heading into the bedroom to get the bed made and straighten in the bedroom.
Guess I'm gonna stay, but I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her. I know this might look bad, but I'm just gonna melt in the background, watching you lean into her. I'm a fool. I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool. I know. Are you thinking about us too? 'Cause I don't know. Are you missing it just like I do? Are you worried about me too? 'Cause I'm thinking aloud, I'm wondering about you, eh? I don't even know what it feels like when your eyes are staring at me. I miss them. I'm about to lose it. All of my friends telling me to leave for the night. It's for the best. I'm a fool. I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool. I know. Are you thinking about us too? Are you missing it just like I do? Are you worried about me too? 'Cause I'm thinking aloud, I'm wondering about you, eh? About you, baby.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but this video was filmed over 2 days, and this portion was filmed on the second day. So of course we live in the house, and even though it was cleaned yesterday, we still have to re-clean the areas that we just did yesterday. So that is why you are seeing me back in the living room, trying to straighten, trying to sweep, washing more dishes. Guys, domestic duties never ends. Like, whether you are a single person, a married person, a mom, not a mom, it doesn't matter. Like, domestic chores never end. And so I am giving you a big shout out. You are doing an awesome job, mom or not, single or not, you are doing great. We are almost at the end of today's video, so let us power on through.
I know that I'm obvious, yet I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the
Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if cleaning videos are some of your favorite videos to see from me, so I can continue to make more, to give you some motivation to pick up your house and to do all the things. But let's finish off strong. We are almost done. You are doing so great.
on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? We've been here too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Oh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave, I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best.
Alright, you guys, and that is going to be the end of today's Get It All Done With Me video. We did conquer a lot over 2 days because yesterday, like I was telling you, was crazy, so I didn't get to finish everything. But the house is picked up. The floors need a very deep clean, but I'm going to save that for another day. And I am going to get myself some lunch. It is 3 p.m. right now. Baby is sleeping with or on dad, and I'm going to get myself a quick lunch before we gotta wake him up to eat again. But yeah, I'm very happy with what we have managed to accomplish. I'm very happy with what we have managed to accomplish over the past 2 days. And yeah, I'm excited to be back filming videos. I'm still trying to figure out, you know, the mom life work balance, but yeah, I promise more videos are coming soon. So if you did enjoy today's Get It All Done with me, of course leave the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. Also, if you got anything done alongside me today, leave me a comment down in the comment box below and tell me what you did. Like, what did you get done over the course of watching this video, getting it all done with me? Let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, bye guys.